Smartly designed counter, rotating cutters squeeze and chop scrap. Specialized disc saw head clamps and slice trees. A tracker dragged wedge-shaped plow uniformly turns the soil both sides. Toothed flexible digging chain cuts long narrow excavations. Synchronized filling operation and heat sealing plates motion cuts evenly filled bags. Welding torch head moving in multi-directions weld with perfection. Powder metal gets sintered into gear. Hydraulically closing gate peel off marine growth on piles. Harmful weeds are killed by tracker dragged flamethrower. Roller spin, tie and cut fabric reel by predefined automated sequence. Potatoes gets water sprayed and planted. Sharp blade shears mechanically pushed wood trunk. Self-retracting mechanism clean weeds in tight spaces. Motor drive toothed shaft unfurl, stake straw for cattle consumption. Cutting blade up and down motion at regular intervals sliced neatly and consistently. shaft rotational and translational motion forms hot metallic rod into spring. Dough processing line automatically slice dough and mold bread design. Combination of pressure and vibration is used to mold compact clay brick. Ingenious design are produced using machines controlled multidirectional movement. Cattle feed raw materials are blended evenly for livestock feeding. Controlled tool movement emboss amazing design on metallic surface. Closely spaced sharp desks on inversely rotating shafts chop old tires into scrap. Clay rolling templates make pottery designs look easy. Shearing of clamped bolt looks so satisfying. Shaft with slotted guideway intelligently converts rotation to translational motion.